Good evening everyone. If you have an MG4 EV or if you are waiting for it to be delivered or if you are thinking to buy an MG4 EV, you can have one problem that I had: navigation activation. My navigation was not active, so I had to make a research and find two ways to make it work. The first one, if your navigation doesn't active, because when you click this, if it is not active, it says the navigation cannot be activated. So what you need to do is, when you come to the main screen, slide left, go to settings, privacy notice. Here it should be ticked as I agree, but if even it is clicked as agree, first click I do not agree, come back to the main screen and go back to the settings again, come to the privacy notice again and click I agree again. Then go to the main screen and try if it is working or not. If it's working, it's okay, but if it's not, you need to make one more thing. While doing this, you should be very careful. Let's start. If the first way doesn't work, the second way, slide left, go to settings, click system here, and in the system menu you will see entertainment system version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have a page that we need to put a pin code, which is 200519, and click OK. After we get the factory mode, click activate, and in this page you will see switch environment current. It should be switch environment current P, but if it is not, or even it is set as P, just press it and set it again to P. Then back, exit, main page, click navigation. The navigation should ask you for some confirmation or directly turn on, but you should be sure that your car is connected to your phone's Wi-Fi to get the necessary data. Just to be sure, because your car has its own data system, but it is better to connect it to your phone's Wi-Fi to be sure that it has the connection, because sometimes the car's connection, the GSM connection, doesn't work. So this is how you activate it. If it doesn't work, again, unfortunately you need to go to the dealer. I hope this video would be helpful for you. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.